Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Grafana Cloud for dashboards for VPS metrics step by step clearly. Visit the Grafana Cloud website. Click on the Sign Up button in the upper right corner. Enter your email address in the provided field. Create a strong password that meets the security requirements. Confirm your password by entering it again in the designated field. Review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy. Click on the Create Account button. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Grafana. Open the verification email and click on the confirmation link. Return to the Grafana Cloud website. Log in using your registered email and password. After logging in, you will be guided to the Grafana Cloud dashboard. Select the option to create a new Grafana Cloud instance. Choose your preferred plan from the available options. Fill in the required information about your Grafana instance. Click on the Create Instance button to finalize the setup. Once your instance is created, you will be directed to the Grafana instance dashboard. From the dashboard, navigate to the Settings section. Locate and configure the data source for your VPS metrics. Select the appropriate metrics provider or protocol for your VPS. Enter the necessary details to connect your VPS to Grafana. Save the data source settings. Create a new dashboard by selecting the New Dashboard option. Add panels to visualize your VPS metrics as needed. Customize your dashboard layout and appearance as desired. Save your dashboard for future access. You are now ready to monitor your VPS metrics using Grafana Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.